So quickly wanted to come and tell you guys that I am headed to the 777 tattoo and nail art studio, and I am surprising my parents with a parenthood tattoo. I'm really excited because this is really close to my heart and I've been wanting to do this like forever. My dad is driving me to the studio and he has no idea about this, but yes, let's go. Yeah, let's head into the video. Yo, this is super slow. I'm feeling like I'm walking. You're gonna get them once I'm done. Both mom and dad.
Yes.
You both have to come. You have to get mama also and come, and you're coming to pick me up.
Where?
To pick me up.
Why?
Because I'm saying so.
What a bad video you're taking with pathetic angles.
How am I looking?
Okay.
He spends so much time with my mom now that he has figured the kind of answers to give back. He's learned how to talk. So mama, that's all because of you. So guys, I'm here and we are ready to take on. We're just designing the tattoo. It is a little personalized and I'm really excited. Let me make you guys meet Jigar. Hey Jigar, what's up?
How are you?
We're designing. Super excited. Mommy is gonna be so pissed. Should I be scared?
No, you shouldn't be. You
Oh my
have to
God.
be happy. You're getting something for your parents.
I'm super happy, but I'm so scared.
You're just making your skin little softer, so the needle goes well into your skin.
I'm so scared. I'm just a like a fattu person when it comes to pain but I like it. I like this and I want to do it and
What I say about the tattoo
oh my god, you're starting?
is like a happy pain. This
Okay.
is a happy pain. Shall we?
Yes. Is there any specific care for this? Like what do I have to
Yeah, I'll give you cream. You have to just apply that 2 times a day. If your tattoo dry, you need to wash it once a week or something.
Oh god, so no bath and all now?
You can take a bath, but just carefully.
It's like a mind itchy.
Yes, that's how it feels.
I don't even want to look because I'm just like, I don't have a needle. I do have a slight needle phobia when it comes to injections, but this is like a very itchy. You were right, a very itchy.
So in
feeling.
injection, it goes very deep in your
Skin, yeah.
This is only on epidermis, so
Right.
it doesn't feel that much. You only feel like kind of someone is cutting your skin with a blade. But you are doing good. You haven't like bounced.
Yeah. I'm surprised myself actually. I think you're right. Your hand is really smooth. Like in one line, you're finishing it off. That's a big deal.
I use a quite good machine, so
Yeah.
my 2-time works can be done in just 1 time. Daddy's go, mommy's world is ready.
Her mom's gonna be so angry, but like she's gonna be shocked. This is very unexpected.
About this design, it all connected with one line. So from here, the baby hand, it connected with the mother or father hand. It's all one hand, one line. So it also shows the connection between two.
Right. Hey guys, so I have Jigs here with me and it's so good guys. You know my nails are done by him. He's a typical artist. Like you know वो artsy लोग होते हैं ना जिनके अगर रूम में आओगे आप इतने frames होंगे इतना drawing होगा. He is literally like that. So comfortable to talk to. I mean I've been spending like hours over here like planning my tattoo, doing my nails. But he is so chilled out. It's so easy to communicate with him and it's like just like you know जैसे हम दोस्त थे like हम बहुत time से एक दूसरे को जानते हैं. But yes, I'm super excited. I have one or two questions to ask you. What kind of tattoo artist? How do we know कि you know ये सही जगह है हमें यहाँ क्योंकि इतने tattoo artists हैं. But how do we know कि ये सही है या this guy is using the right things या this person is using the right things? How do we judge कि this is the right tattoo place where we should go get our tattoo?
Well, first of all, he has to have good experience, like 3, 4, 5 year experience from tattoo industry.
Right.
He has to know all kind of tattoos, like which are like line work, shading work, portraits, and everything. When you look at his portfolio, you will be able to see what kind of work he is doing, the finishing and everything. Second thing, the most important thing, especially nowadays, is hygiene.
Right.
He must have to follow good hygiene because without hygiene, that tattoo place you shouldn't go there. Especially because of the corona.
Important to use those new needles,
New
right?
needles, yes, everywhere. Nowadays everything is disposable. Likewise, we use everything disposable. Once we use it on client, we throw it away.
So one more thing I wanted to ask you, like for newbies, like people who are scared of tattoos or you want to get your first ever tattoo, like what do you tell them? Like what do you want to tell them? Like what should they keep in mind और कैसे decide करना चाहिए कि हाँ मुझे tattoo कराना है या ये tattoo कराना है? What should they do?
Well, first thing I would suggest them is never go on Google or Pinterest designs. Everyone has to have good customized design. There are so many different artists, like I also do the customized design. Like I never try to copy any designs. It has to be always like customized.
They
So
can
that,
bring a picture to you, but then add a...
You bring ideas, it's okay. You like some pictures, there is no problem. You bring 4 or 5 pictures, it's fine. You come to us, you have a good consultation with us, and then we create a special creative design for you.
For you, yes.
Yeah.
It should be a little customized and it should have a meaning because it's something that you carry for the rest of your life.
Yes. Some people like आज मुझे इसका टैटू करवाना है उसका टैटू कराना है, so it shouldn't
You
be
have
like
clients like that who come and say मुझे.
Yes.
Then what do you
Especially Virat Kohli. He
Yeah.
there are so many fans of him. They want like I want Virat Kohli style, but you shouldn't get the copy of any.
So what do you tell them? You tell them कि ठीक है मैं ये कर देता हूँ पर you
I can create the same style, but go for some different like creation inside. So it should be fine.
Perfect. I hope this has been informative, guys. I will see you around.
Thank you.
That's my mom, my dad.
Where's the surprise?
I told you. क्या है? Really? Good.
That is the mama's world.
I told you my mom's gonna scream, but she's behaving herself right now. But I got a tattoo. How's it?
Damn nice, yeah.
Cute, no? And it's so fast. He's so good, like, and he has
Yeah,
this
he's pretty
really-
quick. I thought
pretty
time
quick. He thought
lagega.
it's
You're
gonna
pretty
take
quick,
a lot
yeah.
of time, but I
Yeah,
guess
she's been
happy.
talking very highly of you. Huh? She's been telling us very highly of you.
I called and told them that he's so good at explaining and he's done it so well. Even my nails with art, तेरा इतना जल्दी हो गया. How is that possible? But yes, Moms, what do you have to say? Yes. Other than but what is this? This is a elder's hand and it's like 2 hands, like trying to show
It's
2
done
hands.
with the one line only.
Yeah. The
So there is connection between hand and the other hand.
Do you see it is made and then from here only it is continued to the smaller child's hand. So it's an adult's hand and a child's hand. It's like 2 adult hands. Right? And then
But
it's
the
like-
whole that image is just one line.
Yeah.
There is no like cut in
There's
it.
no break in.
Yeah.
There's no
from
break
this,
in
it
between.
Yeah.
continues and it goes here. It goes directly like from here. Okay, that's it. Thanks, Karan.
रगड़ा में जो मजा है ना वो आलू में नहीं है।
पानी पूरी
पानी पूरी।
क्या बात कर रहा है. I
भाई-
love because even Calcutta it's fuchka and I love
Within
potato
Calcutta they
more.
put aloo in it.
Aloo,
You
and
like
I love
aloo
it, yeah.
basically.
And I love this little chana also that they put in it. It's so good.
चना मतलब रगड़ा.
Yeah, but this is the brown chana. This is Kabuli chana.
I-
That's the other.
Maybe वो टेस्ट डेवलप ऐसा हो गया. मुझे
But
वो
anyways,
गरम
महाराष्ट्र
रगड़ा
है.
गरम रगड़ा के साथ ही पसंद है.
दो बाहर नीचे बाहर दो
भुक्का नंगा.
हाँ. तू नहीं पिएगी?
This is not my OOTD for obviously eating this junk food out here today, but how did you like my tattoo?
Nice.
You got angry when you saw it immediately.
Yes, because I don't like tattoos.
But music off करना.
एक मिनट टोटो. I'm doing something ना.
You got angry immediately,
Yes.
and then what did you think after you saw it?
Okay, I mean it was a small one and it was
Act like you're like really happy and you teared down types.
and it was like like me and Papa was involved, so that's
So that's okay. So that's why it's okay.
yes, but no more tattoos.
Pups, what do you have to say?
It's nice. It's emotional.
Did you
And
feel
very
emotional? You
touching.
usually cry about everything. Why didn't you cry about this?
I was
Because you were
outside somewhere,
awkward.
but there was a lump in my throat.
Yeah. Am I really daddy's girl? No,
You
you're
said
not
no, no?
our girl because you don't listen to us. Karan, don't sit there laughing.
She doesn't listen to me also.
Guys, thank you for watching this video. If it touched your heart, you felt amazing, or you want to do something like that for your parents, please go ahead and do it. And don't forget to like my video, don't forget to share my video and subscribe to my channel. I love you babies. Mwah, 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 mwah.